Don't feel too big to learn, because no limit in learning.
Wow, see me my baby boy and my baby girl dem say na the food wey dey cook for school na they like pass, while me wey be their mama no sabi cook. Wetin you can't do about am? Before I tell you wetin I do and before you know wetin you supposed to do when that kind thing happen, make I greet my correct people. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladyzion Sweethome. We are on YouTube, we are on Facebook as well, and we are all here for a healthy community. Yes, so shebi you see the process of this food. No tell me say you no see am because you no see where. Tap your saga comment like where they print newspaper. No tell me say you no see am because say you no see where dem put 10 maggi. One of their favorites, yes, pasta pesto. I know say your pikin don tell you, mommy, I love pasta pesto. What have you done about it? See am, watch this video now. I no get time to explain now for you like say I wan print newspaper or I wan begin to analyze saga when happen. This one now, watch am with your data. If you use your data watch this video, you no waste time. You no waste time. This food is a very healthy and delicious meal. Yes, so now so we talk and reach you. If you enjoy the video at last, share am to that your neighbor when they say pikin like food when they cook for school more than the one when they cook for house. If you get that your landlord when you pikin they complain say mama no sabi cook, no be bad thing. You know say children then they picky, they fit tell you wetin person no fit tell you. Now you born them, now then they right to tell you wetin they want to tell you.
One thing wey sweet me pass about this recipe say you fit use different type of macaroni or pasta. Yes, if your pikin no like big one, you fit use small one, and you go do am the way I take cook am, because as you dey see this pasta now, I cook am done. Why some people don't like make their pasta too done or make their macaroni too done? Just do am the way una take like yes. So
to dey enjoy the video, we go still dey vibe ourselves. No room for dull moment. Forget why you come this video. Take the sense out of the nonsense and make things right for yourself. At last, like the video, share and subscribe and follow. It's absolutely free of charge. I would love to see you. Bye.
Follow for more. If you find this video helpful and informative,